Hello everyone. So this is the next video on this channel. I have an introspective nature and I'm uploading videos on that topic which I feel that day, which I have an insight on. So today the topic is letting yourself shine. Oftentimes, in order to gain friends and in order to be with people, in order to not be alone, we are so afraid to be alone between people. That means that we are standing aside and the groups are somewhere else. I mean, they are in front of us. We have this feeling of being included with everybody else. And what do we do for that? We let ourselves down. That means we lower our standards. We lower our own quality. Maybe we are very good at something, we are at the top game of something, but we lower down our own light. Why? In order to fit in. Because the people around us doesn't have that much talent. Because they don't have that much talent, what happens is that in order to be friends with them, in order to make them like us, in order to have their company, in order to be always surrounded with them, not feel alone in the society, we try to dim our own light. We don't show our talents, we don't showcase whatever talents we have, whatever skills we have, whatever we are good at. Why? Because we will be left alone, and because they will all feel that he is superior than us. Why the hell are you hiding your light? My entire life I have always lowered down my standards, my own light, the talents that I had. Why? Because in order to make friends, in order to make them feel secure that I am not so much above them. But the truth of the matter was that I was good at something and they were not. And in order to have their company, what have I done? I have lowered down my own light. It took me a lot of time to realize this, that what am I doing? I didn't even knew that what I was doing. It just clicked me that what the hell I was doing. Till in my 20s, I have been hiding. I was hiding my talents, I was hiding my skills from people. Why? Because I didn't wanted the attention on me. I didn't wanted to feel superior. Why? Because if I'll be superior, then I'll be left alone. I won't be included with the people, because people are not superior. They don't know something. They will be jealous of me. They'll leave me. I'll be alone in this world of people. That's why I used to hide my real talents, my real capabilities. And you know what happens in a job? That your boss feels insecure, that I don't have those talents. The people who are sitting above you will feel very much insecure because of you. You're making them feel insecure, and when you'll make them feel insecure, they'll attack you. And that's why you didn't want it to come on anybody's negative target. That's why you were hiding your abilities, so that you will not become a hero and nobody will be attacking you. So in order to protect ourselves, we dim our own light. We don't shine. Because if we shine like a sun, we'll be alone. We will not have any other stars with us, because they are stars. They'll be jealous of you being the sun. Be the sun and you will be alone. You won't be having anybody, and the people who are at higher posts than you, they are going to be jealous of you and they are going to dim your light. They're going to attack you. You will attract more of that attacking thing, because everybody wants to lower down your value. Everybody wants to dim your light. We never have spoken about this, but this is the reality of life, that whenever somebody shines, everybody wants them to fall down, to dim their light, to bring them at their own level, even below them. This is how this system is working. It's not anybody's fault. This is how everything works. And to be a very dark person, like, extremes are very dangerous here. Like shining like a sun, also being a darkness. Nobody wants to be with a person who is completely negative, and nobody wants to be a person who is completely positive and shining brightly. So there are risks at both extremes. And I have just realized this, that for my entire life I've been dimming my light. My strengths are more than that of people. And if they don't have that level, I used to not show my level to them so that they won't feel insecure, and I'll be included in their groups. I'll not be alone. I'll not be left alone. My entire life I have tried to become somebody else. Why? In order to fit in order to gain friends, not to be seen as a person who always stays alone. I was so afraid of being alone. I was so afraid of having all the attention. I mean, positive attention, and being this superior person, but who is alone. I was afraid of that. Because of which I try to be like everybody else. I try to do what they are doing, not do what they are not doing, and stop listening to my inner self, which wanted to shine, which is born to shine. And once I saw all of this vicious place, now when I have seen it, I'm gonna get out of it. I'm just by watching it, it won't have any more effect on me. It will not control me anymore. Life is all about seeing what is not true and becoming what is true. So I want all of you to see this, to not become someone else, and do not dim your light. Be yourself. If you are good at something, just show it. If they are attacking you, you'll have to learn how to deal with it. If they are leaving you, you have to deal with it. But you will be so happy that you have let yourself shine, that you have let yourself be, and you will attract the right kind of people. And if they are actually attacking you, they are not attacking you. They are feeling insecure. You are actually your shine, your light is highlighting their darkness. Because people have darkness. Your light is actually making them see their own darkness. Right? So this is what's happening. You have to shine. You are here to shine. I'm not just saying it to you all, I'm saying it to myself too. That you are meant to shine, and you should shine, without caring about whether people will be with you or not, whether they'll attack you or not. You'll just have to shine. Your inner happiness lies when you shine. You'll handle everything else, because the inner self will bring you so much satisfaction and happiness that you'll deal with that loneliness, aloneness, and you'll deal with that attacks that you're going to face. You are going to die being yourself, not being somebody else who you never were. Thank you. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching. Bye.